How to check views on Facebook video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can check or see the views on a Facebook video. Now, if a video has been shared as public, the number of views will be displayed below the video. When you publish a video on a page you manage, you can see other metrics about video viewing behavior from a desktop computer, not from the phone. But if you just uploaded a video right to your Facebook and you want to see the views, then below the video here, if you tap on the video and open it up, you'll be able to see the number of views, particularly here. I'll just open it up real quick. So here, since the video and likes and comments is more, it's not showing up right here. But if I scroll down here to the other video, you can see there is 173 views, and similarly down below you can see share and such. So you'll be able to see the views there at the bottom corner of the video that you have posted. You want to be able to see or check who has viewed the video. You'll only be able to see the number of views there. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.